There are 8 types of videos that are responsible for generating over $35 million in revenue for the clients we work with. And the craziest part is that most business owners are only aware of 1 or 2 of them, which means that they're leaving 6 to 7 figures in revenue on the table every single year. So in this video, I'm going to give you the exact formats, examples, and strategies behind each one so that you can start implementing these for your channel this week to blow up your business on YouTube. Video type number 1 is what I like to call authority lessons. An authority lesson is a video where you take a well-known person, company, or institution in your industry and share the key principles you found about how they built their business, their brand, or their audience. In short, you're essentially borrowing a bigger name's audience to grow yours. And this works so well because of a psychological principle called the authority transfer. When you attach your analysis or breakdown to someone the viewer already respects, the viewer subconsciously transfers that trust over to you. You're also tapping into existing demand, people who are already following these bigger names, so they'll be more inclined to click on your video. Jay Hoovy does this brilliantly in the finance and career space. His video, Everything They Teach You at Goldman Sachs in 36 minutes, pulled 1.3 million views, where he essentially broke down the key lessons he learned from his time at the company. Richard Roshan did the exact same thing with What Billionaires Know That Millionaires Don't. After spending a week on Richard Branson's private island and sharing the biggest secrets that he learned from the world famous entrepreneur. And I did the same thing on this video, exposing TGR's $3 million a month info empire, and it became my top performer on my business channel. So now you know what this looks like. Well, here's how you actually implement it. First, you want to pick a person or company in your niche with a bigger audience than you, ideally one your target viewer already follows. Then you want to research their business model, their content strategy, their revenue sources, or whatever it is that's relevant to the product or service that you sell. And then 3, you want to structure the video as a learning lesson. Everything I learned from person or company, or how person built an X business, empire, brand. And then add your own analysis or opinion throughout so that you're positioning yourself as the expert who can explain what this person is doing and why it works. You could even go a step farther and suggest specific improvements to that company or person's strategy. So once you implement this, you'll be able to attract a ton of eyeballs to your new channel. But all of that analysis means nothing if the viewer has never actually seen you implement what you're teaching for yourself. And that's where the second video style comes in. And number 2 is the demo. And it's exactly what it sounds like. You showcase your expertise on camera, cold call a business, build a funnel from scratch, audit someone's channel live, close a deal, whatever your skill is. This works so well to convert viewers into customers because a live demonstration is impossible to fake. When someone watches you cold call a business and book meetings in real time, there is zero doubt in their mind that you know exactly what you're talking about. And that level of trust is something you can't manufacture in a hyper-edited talking head video. On top of that, demo videos can be extremely valuable because your viewer gets to see your thought process. They get to see your reactions and your tactics, so they can learn as they follow along. And one of the most effective examples of the demo style video is starting over again from scratch. Like this example from Jordan Platten, where he shows himself restarting an agency from zero. He uses this video as concrete proof that he's great at what he does. And Alex Ramosi has repeated this demo style several times on his main channel where he audits million-dollar businesses to find their biggest constraints. Arsh Shanwarwala, who builds landing pages, used the demo format with this video right here, which is one of the biggest videos on his channel and proves to potential clients that he is an expert. I even sat down a few months ago with one of my clients and built out this entire YouTube channel strategy in real time with this video. So here's how you create your own version. Well, first you want to pick one skill that is most critical to what you sell or you offer. Then you want to set up a screen recording and have someone film you doing it live. And you don't want to overproduce it. The rawness is part of what makes this believable. You want the viewer to see how you make decisions. If you're a coach, coach someone live. If you build funnels, build one on camera. And if you sell, sell on camera. In fact, the messier and more real it is, the more people are going to trust it. So now you've already got 2 video types that build massive credibility. But out of all 8 styles, it's actually number 3 that consistently makes the most money. And that is the free course video. This is a single comprehensive video where you give away all of your best information for free. Literally everything you know about one topic structured into a course, delivered in one super long video. And here's why it works. This video is so effective because when you give away your best advice, people trust you way more. They see that you're the expert because you're willing to share information that other people charge for. And the counterintuitive part is giving away the information for free actually increases the number of people who want to pay you. Because when you spend around 45 minutes watching a free breakdown and you walk away with real results and you're able to make real money, you start to think, if this is the free stuff, then how good is his paid stuff? A few months ago, I posted my free YouTube course on my main channel, and it ended up being one of the most popular and high-earning videos that I've ever posted. The trading channel put out a 1-hour technical analysis course 5 years ago. Today, it has 25.9 million views, and it's still getting hundreds of thousands of views every single month. They have made multiple millions of dollars from that one video. Davey Fogarty got over 2.1 million views on this e-commerce course, which probably led to multiple 6 or multiple 7 figures in revenue for his info business. So here's the best way to create one of these free course videos. First, you want to write down every topic related to the service or program that you sell. Then divide those topics into subtopics. If you have any subtopics that take more than 20 minutes to explain, just divide those into first part, second part. Once you have everything mapped out, record every subtopic as a separate section within one long video. And then finally, record your intro and the segues between sections to connect the different clips together. The final video should be several hours long. So now you've given away hours of value with a free course, but most people get stuck right here. They teach, and viewers still have doubts in their minds, right? They still have objections that they need to overcome, and they won't buy from you until they have that fixed. And that's where the fourth types of video comes in, and that is the client case study video. A client case study is a video where you walk through a specific client result, where they started, what you did, and where they ended up with real numbers. So why does this actually work? Well, case studies work because they give the viewer someone to identify with that isn't you, right? When I say I helped this person go from 0 to 100K a month, the viewer pictures themselves in that position because you're showing someone else's story. It proves to your audience that you have a system that works for multiple people, not just yourself. For example, Brendan Kane made a case study showing how one of his clients gained 800,000 followers in 6 months. Jeremy Haynes will release one of these case studies every few months whenever one of his inner circle members hits $1 million a month. I've done this for my own clients too, like Chandler, who made $1.6 million, or Eric, who hit over $100,000 a month posting raw YouTube videos, or Joel Kaplan, who made over $6 million hosting Zoom calls on his YouTube channel. Now, making these case study videos is very simple. First, you need to pick a client who has a clear before and after transformation. And then you want to structure it as how client went from before state to after state. And then you include the specific strategy that you use step by step so that the viewer can see exactly what was done. You definitely also want to show screenshots, analytics, revenue dashboards, any real proof that backs up the claims that you're making. So now that you've shown the audience your expertise, you need to show that you can actually get results for people like them. But that's not enough to get people over the line. People also need to see how your service or product actually works before they ever think about buying. Which brings me to the fifth video type, and that is the system video. A system video is where you lay out your exact step-by-step process for achieving a specific result. It's structured like a blueprint. First, you do this, then you do this, and then you do this. And by the end, the viewer has a complete framework that they can follow. People want to see systems because they feel repeatable. A result might be motivating or exciting, but a system is actionable. And when you give someone a framework with clear steps, they feel like they can actually achieve the same thing that you did. One of Alex Hormozi's most popular videos follows this formula, where he gives people the exact blueprint to become a millionaire. Ali Abdaal uses this video type over and over again when he breaks down the systems that he uses for productivity, planning, or business. I even have my own version of this video on this channel, the exact system to make $1 million on YouTube. So here's how to go about creating your own system video. First, you need to pick one result that your clients pay you to deliver. And then you want to map out every single step from zero to that result in order. Then you want to give it a branded name. Ali Abdaal has tons of great examples of this, like the Trident method, the energy habit, or the 13-minute rule. Then structure the video around those steps. So step 1, step 2, step 3, all the way through to step 5. And you want to be specific enough that someone could pause the video and start implementing immediately. System videos are powerful, but they rely on people already being interested in what you're talking about. So what do you do if your topic doesn't have that much demand yet? Well, you need to make a video called the Contrarian take. This is where you attack a commonly held belief and present a new position with evidence. The easiest way to do this is don't do X, do Y. That format is working really well on YouTube right now because when someone sees a title that challenges something that they believe, they feel compelled to click to find out if you're right or wrong. And if the argument is strong and evidence-based, you end up being the person who opened their eyes to something new. And this creates a shiny object effect around your brand that makes the content impossible to ignore. For example, Liam Otley's Contrarian take video is one of the best examples of this. He attacked the idea of starting an SMMA, which was one of the most popular business models at the time. And he explained why it was smarter to start an AI automation agency. By taking this unique angle, he was able to create demand for his new business model that he was teaching. Chris Do, founder of The Future, used a Contrarian take to get over 1 million views on this video about pricing and sales by attacking a common belief. He was able to get thousands of people to adopt his new way of thinking. You don't justify your prices, you want to do this instead. So to make your own Contrarian take video, for one, you need to identify a belief that most people have in your niche and hold that you disagree with. Then you need to build the case with data. You need to build it with client results and your own experience. Then you want to structure the title as don't do X, do Y instead. Now, even after making just those 6 video types, you'll probably start seeing some traction on your channel. But views mean nothing if they don't turn into sales. And a YouTube VSL is a promotional video on your channel where you sell someone directly on your products or services. It acts as a bottom of funnel conversion asset asset where the viewer already knows who they are, they already trust you from watching your other content, they just want to learn more about your offer. And because it lives on YouTube, it works 24/7 without you ever having to be on a sales call or in the DMs with your prospects. Iman Gaji has 2 VSLs on his business channel, both which have over 100,000 views, funneling people into his high-ticket coaching offer. The first one is how I made $92.7 million with digital products so you can just copy me. The second is how I built a $100 million personal brand, full breakdown. On his main channel, his biggest YouTube VSL has 9.6 million views. That previously funneled viewers into his agency courses. And Anaya McMillan's YouTube VSL got 2.2 million views, funneling people to her Airbnb business mentorship. Now, creating great YouTube VSLs is a skill in itself, but the simplest way to get started is simply just introduce your results and your credibility, explain to people why they should listen to you, talk about where you were when you started, broke, directionless, failed a bunch of times, and then explain the turning point where you started to see the first signs of success. You want to dive into where you are now and the results you have. Then you want to highlight the results you've gotten for other people. Next, you want to make a call to action, and remember, the key for an effective YouTube VSL is making it blend in with your other videos. And if you make it super salesy, your audience is going to be able to tell instantly. Now you've got 7 video types to create this week, but I saved one for last, and this is the format that is pulling the craziest amount of views on YouTube and making the most sales even for small channels. And that is what's called a challenge video. A challenge video is where you attempt something specific within a set time frame. You document the entire process from start to finish with real results. Here's why it works. Challenge videos work because they create a narrative arc that people can't stop watching. The viewer is invested from the first minute because there is a clear open loop. Did it work or not? And from a business perspective, this format lets you demonstrate your expertise without ever having to do a hard sell. People like Mark Tilbury, Jordan Welch, Alex G have all gotten millions of views from this format. For example, Mark did I tried AI dropshipping for 7 days. Here's how you can copy me. Jordan did I tried dropshipping for 1 week from scratch. Alex G did how I turned $100 into $1 million in 90 days. I used to do these challenge videos all the time on one of my old channels, and they absolutely crushed. I was able to get hundreds of thousands of views on my B2B focused videos, and even though they're a little bit more effort, they are so powerful. This is by far the format that I'm most excited for B2C business owners because it combines proof, entertainment, and authority all into one video. But the most important thing to remember when making these kinds of videos is to add rules and stakes. Include a forfeit if you don't hit the goal, and a big celebration if you do hit the goal. That way you build up the viewer's anticipation and you add specific rule sets to make it harder for yourself. You're going to indirectly overcome objections that your viewers might have about the thing that you're selling. But the biggest mistake that I see is people making all 8 of these video types without the one system that connects them into a revenue machine. And I made an entire video breaking down every step that I took to help Joel Kaplan make over $750,000 per month from his YouTube channel. So go watch it right here to see how the system works and how you can implement it into your channel to build a multiple 6-figure per month business on YouTube. Thanks and have a good one.